Hi, I'm Jeff Tackney.
I'm Jen Tackney.
And we're
TeamTackney. Today, we're talking about February. What happens in February? It's your favorite day of the year.
Valentine's Day, where I get to express my love to my sweetie.
Did you make reservations for our dinner?
Yeah, let's get to the
A
February market
update.
update. So this is your February 2023 market update for 92845 zip code, otherwise known as West Garden Grove, California. So we'll just dive right into it, folks. And maybe some misnomers will be nullified here.
What are misnomers, Jeff? I mean,
some faulty information being given out.
got it.
So we're going to start out looking at, these are January numbers because it's the beginning of February. So January 2023 versus January 2022, and then January 2023 looking that versus December of 22. So year on year, month on month numbers. We'll get right into it. So new listings, January of 2023, 2. Yep, 2 new listings. That's compared to December, there were 3. In a year ago, there were 6. So we're off 66% from a year ago and 33% from a month ago. Closings, properties that closed in January 2023, 3. That's off from 4 a year ago and 8 a month ago. So we're down 62% month on month.
Okay, so let's talk about it.
Yep.
So we're 50% down on inventory, homes available on the market to purchase, and we're 62% down on closings, homes that have been purchased on the market. Okay,
Yes.
So these numbers sound like they're pretty heavy on the seller side because there's not much for buyers to choose from.
Yep. And so we'll get into sales price.
All right, let's
The
hear it.
nitty gritty.
I'm excited.
Average sales price of those 3 that closed, average $950. And so remember, we're talking single family residents, not condos or co-ops or anything, single family. December 2022, $929,875. And January 2022, $976,750. So we're down year on year about 2.7%, but we're up month on month 2%.
Okay, so year on year, we're down 2.7, but from December of last year to January, property values have actually increased based on the 3 that are sold.
Yeah, and there's 3, so our data set is minimum.
Very small.
But yeah, so the housing market crash is one of those misnomers. Once again, we're seeing pretty stable pricing throughout. And in other videos that we do as far as Orange County in general, it's pretty much the same. So
yeah, this month in February, we're putting out in our local events and fun happenings, the backside is going to say, has the bubble burst? Find out what your home is worth. We don't believe there was ever a bubble. So we'll do another video on that, on really talking about the fact that there wasn't a bubble, that we are just seeing kind of steady, and it's quite possible that, it was forecasted to go down anywhere from 4 to 9% in 2023. But currently today, in the beginning of February, we have interest rates right around that 5.5% for a 30-year fix. So they're coming down off of that peak of 7% interest rate that we saw at the end of 2022. So market's looking good to both buy and sell.
that is your West Grove 92845 market update for February 2023. Hope you got some great information. Remember, if you want to see more of these videos, hit the like button and subscribe to our TeamTackney channel down below.
Thanks for watching.
Bye for now.